guys, welcome back to Gardening with April. Today we're going to be planting pear trees. We have two, and I also have an assistant today, Belle.
Hi.
Pear trees are very easy to plant. We're actually just putting them in these pots as a temporary home. We're going to be adding some compost from the compost heap, as well as some potting soil so they have some yummy extra nutrients while they're trying to get their roots in. It is summertime, so we're going to be keeping these inside the house because it's not a good idea to plant your fruiting trees outside during the summer. But as soon as the end of September, early October comes around, we're going to set them up on horizontal espalier style growth and put them in the ground. So for now, let's get started and get them in their pots. It's really easy. We're just going to use the compost and potting soil. These I got from Stark Brothers, and this is how big they are. These are actually a dwarf variety, so they're only going to get about 8 to 10 feet tall and wide. I've had these bags wrapped around them, and they are actually in really excellent condition. It's the first time I've ever ordered from them, so I'm really quite excited about it. I do have one other fruiting tree. It's a lemon tree. So, all right.
And it's over there.
Yeah. Okay, and then I put a little in. I'm gonna try and see. I really want the top of the root to be up, so I'm gonna put a little more in. Oh, and we got lots of bugs in here. That's fine. Sweetie, can I switch sides with you so I can get some of the potting soil?
Yeah.
Go around back. All right. Oh, excuse me, bug. Can you look out, little Bella? Thank you, sweetheart. All right. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay. Oh, another one. Where are you getting these from? Thank you. I think that looks about right. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and get this. We're just going to gently push him forward. Just with a little bit of work. It's going to slide right on out of here. Oh, he's gorgeous and way too low, darn it. Okay, man, I'm really happy with this root system from Stark Brothers. It looks very healthy and well developed, but it does not look overbound. It's awesome. I've got lots of helpers today. Let's see. A little higher.
Can you switch one?
Hold on one second, baby. Nope, nope, I got it. Thanks, honey. No, thank you. That's better. All right, and we're gonna keep this stick in here so that it can continue to be supported. And once I have it in and compact and watered, I'll go ahead and rebind it because it came unbound from the stick when I was taking it out of the packaging. Thank you. You can put it in here. Put it in. Thank you. You can get more. You can put a lot more in. Yeah. Nope, don't pull at it. So with these pear trees, you really want to have two varieties. I have the Barlet Pear Dwarf, and then Belle over here has the Darking Delicious Pear Dwarf. And you need two so that they can procreate together. You can't just have one and expect pairs. Or they're not going to be as abundant as if you had two to cross-pollinate. So we have two. They also take a few years before they actually start bearing fruit, so you have to be a little patient as well. I'm very excited to use this ancient style of growing the trees once they're put in the ground and grown horizontally. You can actually get more fruit production that way, and it's far more accessible when it's horizontal because you can just walk right over and grab it. It's not very tall. Make it as tall as you. I'll probably make it a little taller so I can just use a step stool once it's in. But I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be a lot of fun. And pear trees are one of the best fruiting trees to get high yield pound per tree for the fruit. So that'll be really fun. No, you need a lot more, honey. A lot. Keep working. I'll help you in a minute. Okay. And then, yep, we'll just stake that up. Now, if you were doing this at home, you could put some other little plants in below it if you wanted to give it a little more aesthetic, but seeing as how this is a temporary home and I'm just trying to get a little bit of comfort for it until it gets into its permanent home, I'm not going to plant anything in here because I want it to get the maximum amount of nutrients from this planting and from the soil. All right, and that's what this one looks like. And we'll just wrap it around here. I'll get some little green plastic that came from the garden center and tie it on. And then I'm gonna get it nice and watered. But first, let me help. Hi, buddy. Yeah. This has so much nutrient-rich stuff, and there's living organisms in here with eggshells and old composted produce. It's really great stuff. Okay, baby. Let's test them out, see if this is a good height. All right, I think that's good. Let me see. A little hole, it's a little tall. Okay, let me scoot back a little bit so they can see me. Turn it forward. Gently, gently. Oh, okay. Gentle down, back up. That came apart bad. Put it right there. That'll stop. Okay, start piling on the dirt. All the soil. Thank you. Here, baby. Why don't you hold this? Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Hopefully that's nice and secure. All right, and then he's actually well established on here. They've tied him on. These are the little green material that we're going to use for the other one. They've already used it here. I think this guy looks great. He's going to be really, really happy in here. Have a seat. He's going to be really happy in here, and like I said, September, October, we'll give him a move to his permanent home, so he'll be nice and at ease. And yeah, I'm super excited about it. So you can stick along over time and see how they develop and grow and produce fruit. So, all right, thanks for coming and good gardening.